How to place an order in Sephora. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily order products from Sephora. First of all, go to the website name sephora.com. So now this interface will pop up. Here you can select the product that you want to buy. So here I'm tapping on one. Now here it will show you all the details about the product. So you can choose the product, select the size and other colors from the product. Now on the bottom there's an option called add to basket. Simply tap on add to basket. So it has been added to the cart. Now here on the right top, simply tap on this shipping button. So this is a type of order list or a type of shipping out list. So these are my orders. Now in order to simply add them or check out, tap on this checkout button. So here you'll be able to easily add them and check out them into your specific location. Here you can even directly pay it through PayPal and other card methods, and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.